These healthy banana coconut cookies are made with just 2 to 3 simple ingredients. No sugar, no flour, and perfect for a quick guilt-free, dairy-free, and gluten-free snack. Made in the air fryer in under 15 minutes, these cookies are soft, chewy, and naturally sweet from bananas. Add dark chocolate for extra flavour. Perfect for weight loss snacks, kids' tiffin, and healthy dessert cravings. Cook for you spread tasty food in the world. Please subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon for notifications. Cook for You presents gluten-free banana coconut cookies. Take 2 ripe bananas, mash the banana in a bowl until smooth. Take 1 3/4 cup desiccated coconut. Do not add in one go. Add more later if the dough feels too wet. If too sticky, then add 1 to 2 tablespoons more coconut. If too dry, then mash banana a bit more or add 1 teaspoon milk. Here, I'm adding 50 grams dark chocolate. Instead of this, you can also add chopped nuts, vanilla, or cinnamon powder. If the dough feels slightly looser after adding vanilla, just sprinkle in a little extra coconut. Mix them after you combine the mashed banana and coconut. Just fold them in gently. Knead the dough until combined well. Mix until a thick dough forms. Preheat the air fryer at 180 degrees Celsius for about 5 minutes. Let's make cookies. Take some mixture. Make round ball. Flatten it gently. crisper trays have holes for airflow, great for crispiness, but the soft dough might sag slightly or stick. That's why you should line the tray with parchment paper. Repeat the same process for all. If the mixture feels sticky on your hands, lightly wet your fingers or use a spoon. Press them down slightly. They won't spread on their own. Place cookies on it. Our cookies are ready to bake. Once preheated, pop them into the air fryer. Bake at 180 degrees Celsius, 350 degrees Fahrenheit for 10 minutes until golden at the edges. Time may vary depending on the type and size of the air fryer. Do not flip halfway through. These banana coconut cookies are soft and delicate. Flipping can break them, make them crumble, mess up the shape. Keep eye on it. Don't worry if they feel soft when you take them out. They will firm up as they cool. Let them cool before removing so they don't break. Our healthy and delicious banana coconut cookies are ready to enjoy. Let them cool for 10 minutes before touching. Banana cookies are delicate when hot, soft, slightly chewy inside, lightly crisp outside. They'll smell amazing, slightly over-browned, but so good healthy, gluten-free and refined sugar-free. Dish out. Store in an airtight container. Best consumed within 2 days at room temperature or 5 days if refrigerated. Do try this recipe and share your valuable feedback with us. do try this recipe and share your valuable feedback with us. Please like and share, and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.